Working with conditional constructs. In your daily life, you take various decisions that are based on certain conditions. For example, if it is raining, you will take an umbrella. In the same way, you can incorporate the decision making techniques in the Java programming language. The decision making technique can be implemented in the Java programs by using the following conditional constructs: if-else constructs and switch construct. In this video, we learn about switch construct. In the example of classic jumble word game, you want to display the following menu when the game starts: play game, view instructions, or exit game. Thereafter, you want a user to enter a choice such as 1, 2, or 3. On the basis of the user input, you want the corresponding methods which implement the functionality for each input to be invoked. For this, you can use the switch construct. The switch construct evaluates an expression for multiple values. The switch statements is followed by an expression that tests the value of the expression against the list of values, which can be integer, character, or string constants. The syntax for the switch construct is switch expression, then braces, case expression 1, statement break, case expression 2, statement break, and so on. In last case expression n, statement break, default statement. In the switch construct, expression given in the switch statements is compared with the each case constants. If the case constant matches with expression, the control is moved to the statement following the matches case constants. Otherwise, the control is moved to the default statement. The break statement causes the program flow to exit from the switch construct. The skip the execution of the remaining case structure by terminating the execution of the switch construct. In the preceding example, you can use the following code snippet: switch choice in braces, case 1 play game, break, case 2 instruct games, break, case 3 exit game break, default system.out.println invalid option. In the preceding code snippet, if the value of choice is 1, the play game method is invoked, and if the value of choice is 2, the instruct game is invoked, and if the value of choice is 3, the exit game is invoked.